Hey guys, it's Katie with S&B, and today I'm here with our brand new release, part number 75-5089. So this intake kit fits the 2017 and up GMC Canyon and Chevy Colorado 3.6 liter V6. So let me tell you why you're gonna love it. We designed the intake tube with less restriction by giving the airflow a straight shot to the throttle body. This box features one of our signature large clear lids and houses your choice of either cotton cleanable or dry extendable S&B filter. You do get 2 inlets for maximum airflow. However, you can customize your airflow by blocking off one of the inlets with the provided box plug. This box was designed with an integrated tube seal that keeps out any unwanted engine heat. Alright, so that was just a quick overview of our brand new part number 75-5089. So if you have any other questions or you want to know more, you can always chat us in at the bottom right hand corner of our website, or you can give us a call, and I'll see you next time.